Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and it's time for another Scraps to Embellishments video where I'm going to use the scraps I have to create embellishments for a swap. Swap is hosted by Ginger's Corner. I'll have her group linked below. And the theme this time, I don't know if I said it, is pretty in pink. So let me just grab my chair. Right, so with pretty in pink, everything just has to be pink, or the majority of the colour on whatever you create has to be pink. So I thought I'm going to just pick out something that is pink and go from there. So I'm starting with these Project Life sort of cards, and these are, that's a pink, that's pink. These ones on the back were a bit more corally than pink, so I'm going to use these and hopefully create like journaling cards to use as the swap. Now, I don't want the purple spoons on there, so I'm going to disguise that. So that's going to happen with washi tape, and I've just got a selection of washi tape here. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. So I really love the sparkle, but I'm not sure that's the right colour. And I've got some pink cardstock because to cover up these spoons with the washi, I'm also going to add some bees because there's bees on these ones. So I thought I'd carry that through to all of them. So I've got a bee die here that I can use. Also flowers if I decide I want to put flowers on there. And then these two don't have the lines on it for a journaling card. So I have some stamps here by Kaiser Craft, really old ones, that I thought I could use to make the journaling section on the cards. So that's the idea. Now I've got fancy ones here, but I've also got some plain ones here. So I don't know which I'll use. I've got my stamping platform because they're old and they may not stamp properly. Probably have to do it a few times. And what else? I got my die cut machine here because I need to die cut the flowers and all of the bees. And I'm going to just run through one more thing and then I'm going to get started. And I'll probably just speed you up because it's pretty basic what I'm doing. Now for this one, it's not journaling, but it can be used as a title piece. So I'm going to top and bottom with the washi and add a bee or something either corner to make it more a title piece. Now when you're doing your embellishments for these swaps, they don't all have to be the same. Like there's no rule to say you have to do, you know, 5 all completely the same. As long as you make 5 that are in the theme, then that I'm pretty sure will work. So like Ginger says, there's no wrong way. So I think I'm going to use this washi because it's that sort of same colours. The others, that's a little bit, well that one works. Oh, now I don't know. This one with the gold, I don't know. I don't want to limit people if they don't want to use metallics on their page. Sorry, I don't want to use a metallics and they feel they have to add metallics elsewhere on the page. So I've ruled that one out. And again, I think with the glitter, even though I love the glitter, if that doesn't match the style of what it is they're doing on the scrapbook page they're using these swaps on, they can be limiting. So now I don't know which one. Maybe the quatrefoil one, because maybe the love hearts won't work. Alright, so let's go with the quatrefoil one. And it's going to get lost if I just pop that straight on the card. So a really good trick I've learnt is you put it on white cardstock and then it makes it a more solid rather than a semi-transparent look, and whatever is on the back is not going to bleed through. So then you can use like washi tape on dark colour cardstock. So it's just a really cool way to use washi tape more, because I'm sure we all have drawers of it and we never really use it. And you definitely can't use it on on dark cardstock because it just wouldn't look the same. The dark would come through underneath. Alright, so there's one. And I think I can probably get 2 cards out of that. And these are just scraps that I had in my scrap pile. And that's the whole idea with these embellishments. Use your scraps so they don't go to waste. Alright, so I'm just going to fiddle now, have a play, speed you up, pop some music over the top. If you have any questions, pop them below, and I'll be back at the end once my embellishments are completed. Okay, there are my completed embellishments. I've only made 5 so far. I'm not sure how many people are going to sign up in Australia for the swap, but I can always make more. I have lots more of these Project Life cards that I'm probably never going to use on layouts, so I can make more of these. I finished them off with some Nuvo crystal drops in Simply White in the middle. I could have used black, I could have used gold, but I kept white because it's pretty neutral. These have white on them. These two don't, but the white doesn't look out of place. Now, they look a little bit pointy at the moment, but they will settle and flatten as they dry, and they look like enamel dots. So, there you go. They are my embellishments. Sorry if you can hear a noise in the background, it's my fan. It is stinking hot here today. And yeah, I need the fan on or I'm gonna die. Yeah, a bit over dramatic, but you know. Yeah, so I need the fan on. Sorry about that background noise. And yeah, I can tell I'm out of practice making videos because I felt like I was fumbling, I was dropping things, I was making a mess with the glue. Oh my gosh, I need to get back into it, do it more often so that it's second nature again. Oh dear, that was fun. Alright, so if you want to join in these swaps, make sure you head over to Ginger's Corner, and there is a sign up post for the Pretty in Pink swap. If you are in Australia and New Zealand, then please, when you put your swap, whether you want 1 or 2 or 3 swaps, whatever, then make sure you put the little icon for the Australian flag, so that, or the New Zealand flag, so that we can pick up straight away that you're not in the States and you're not in Europe, and then you'll be put on my team. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, and you love this idea of altering your journal cards to suit you, or just using them from your stash and making them a little bit more elevated than just a plain card, then I hope you've got ideas from this. And if you have, then please hit that thumbs up so I know that you like this video and this idea. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.